You guys, okay, so my day was done. I just sat down. My day was done. I'm still recovering from surgery and I just wanted to relax. But Todd came upstairs and out of the back of his pants, he hid it in his shirt, pulled out the paper pumpkin box. I know this has been a crazy month and a lot of you guys, my heart goes out to you. I totally understand that yours isn't on the way. I did post on my Facebook page that my customers here in Canada, they had all been in picking and then were shipped. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys what I know you're dying to see because I've already looked at it. And this paper pumpkin kit is, this one takes, it takes the number one spot over all the paper pumpkins I've got. So first things first, is the Ice Cream Corner Designer Series paper. They're letting you know about this paper because it kind of ties right in with this kit. And I happen to have some here and it's kind of like all cut up and chopped up. I have an unboxing. I will link the unboxing for you guys so that you can actually see all of them. If you have the paper, my channel members, if you click join underneath any one of my videos or on my homepage, get a class on a Sunday and we're going to make these awesome little cards from the Ice Cream Corner suite. So oops, I dropped one. So super cute little cards. Get to hang out for a couple hours, make some cards. If you guys want to join in on that fun, I'd be happy to see you there. Now for this kit, I cannot wait. I am going to take this kit next week with me over to see my dad and we're going to make these because these are so adorable. You could get anybody involved with these. I mean, are you seeing these? These are so cute. So your coordinating colors are Bermuda Bay, Blackberry Bliss, Bumblebee, Cinnamon Cider, Old Olive, and Terracotta Tile. So it's got all your instructions in here. Now, if you are not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber yet, follow my Facebook page very closely because I got some news coming up, all right? So this is so cute. I mean, I'm just loving this. So you got the popsicle. Let me pull this up here. You got the popsicle. It says, "You are so cool. Happy birthday. Hey there." You got the watermelon. Oh my gosh, this is too adorable and way to go. So super cute there. Now, I gotta tell you guys, you're gonna get a Bermuda Bay and you're gonna get some twine. That's not what I'm gonna tell you guys, but you're gonna get some yellow twine in there as well. Super cute. And of course your dimensionals. But this is what I gotta tell you guys. I am going to open up this envelope because it has got the coolest paper inside of here. I mean, will you just look at that? There's some DSP. I mean, I personally, I would use this on my cards and just use a regular white envelope because this is too stinking cute to hide all behind this and then to have someone throw it out. No, let's give this paper a long life and put it on a card. I mean, let me know in the comments below if you like that paper. If you want to have, you know, fancy little envelopes to put your cards in, by all means, you do you. I'm not going to judge. But I think, now how many cards are there? That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So, you do you. You decide how you want to use your envelopes, but I just think they're too cute to throw out. Now these, you guys, I mean, come on. Let's pull out that cardboard again so I can show you these. But we have got watermelons and all you do, fold them in half. These are so stinking cute. I love it. And if you have that black gel pen that you guys see me use, you could go over top of all your little seeds and then they would just kind of pop. They'd be shiny. So cute. And then you've got your little rainbows. Use a Wink Castella on, you know, every other one here and just give them a little bit of pizzazz. I mean, look at these popsicles. These are so cute. And look at this one. And the stamps actually have these little sprinkles. You could take some Versamark and some embossing powder, white. Oh my gosh, white would be super cute. And just put, you know, some little sprinkles on them. You could even do that on your little rainbow and whatnot. That would be so adorable. So it looks like there's 3 of each. 3, 6, 9, 12. Yes, so there's your 12 cards for those. Now, I was pretty surprised at this. And if you want, pause the video and let me know in the comments below why you think I'm surprised. But I'm surprised because Stampin' Up! Did away with everything that is glitter. So I was really surprised to see this, but you've got all kinds of, I can't even see the, oh, there, now I can see the lines. So there's 6 of these and 6 of those. So, I mean, that's super cute. And it's like legit glitter. But this isn't the glitter here. I'm going to rub it. I mean, none is coming off. This isn't that cheap glitter paper where it's all over. I mean, it's not even on my hands. So I love that. I'm so sad that they did away with the glitter. I have to get it somewhere else now. So these here, you've got 2 sheets. So you've got 8 circles there. And you've got 8 little banners there. So those are super cute to put on the fronts of your cards. You do all your stamping on there. And then these stickers. And I got to tell you guys, okay, so it looks to me like they might have been laser cut because there's a tiny brown line around them. But these stickers are shiny. I mean, they're really quite pretty. I really like them. And honestly, you can use, I don't even see where they use these stickers on here. I might whip together a couple cards. I'm in the middle of 30 cards in 30 days right now. If you guys haven't seen that, head over to my Facebook group. The link is down below, but it's ridiculous how many stamps I have that are retiring that I haven't even used. So I'm in the middle of 30 cards in 30 days, but I should see if I can't whip something off here. I mean, even sneak in an extra live video. I don't know. But with that being said, there is your April paper pumpkin kit. If yours is still on its way to you, I'm sorry, but lots of crafty hugs and love. Hopefully it comes soon. Thank you for joining me today. And until I see you again, take care and happy stamping.